Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is my blooper reel of my Sabotage series. If you guys aren't familiar with my Sabotage series, I will have that linked below in the description. I will also have it in the cards up above at about a minute into the video, so you guys can see more about that if you're interested. But basically, you guys just tell me what to do during a live stream, and I will do whatever makes me laugh the most or what is the absolute worst thing to do to my face. And you guys get to sabotage my face. And it's actually a lot of fun because this beauty community is full of drama and we need some fun sometimes. So basically, this is just a recap of what happened. And I hope you guys enjoy it because, sorry. Great. You broke it. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of people here. Ooh, we're about to get all messed up. Hello. Sorry, y'all. I had a string. Oh, y'all like my 90s hair? I just need a scrunchie in it. It's pretty sexy, huh? Welcome! And I'm sorry. Did I step my teeth? My husband didn't bring the bag of trash downstairs like I told him to. He failed as a husband. Hey, I'll put lipstick on my eyes, girl. Yes, I will. Okay, so I lost my train of thought, y'all. What was I even talking about? Naked mole rat? Hey, girl! Like, we went to school together and she hated me the entire time. So, I need to take my ginkgo biloba. My channel has the best subscribers. Anyways, butt chin is just kind of like mandatory at this point. Okay, which guys? Which guys? Those would be wizards, by the way. Which guys? Wet setting powder? I mean, I'll do it. Alright, we'll do dark foundation. Let me get... Oh, poop. I have all color highlighter. That's my armpit. Y'all don't want to see that. Oh, the green one is a setting powder? Okay, I got you. We'll do that. Alright, so I'm setting it with green highlighter. Okay, I'm okay. Bronzer as concealer. Yes! Look at my healthy skin. Not because I don't drink water. We're doing bronzer as my... Oh gosh, you are terrible. Oh, okay, yeah, you can see that. That looks terrible. Oh, it looks horrible. Alright, this looks... Alright, green highlight. It is actually really pretty. So, I mean, look at it. Look at it. Look. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. This is gonna be terrible. I look like a crack addict. What? Ew, that smells like it's expired. Okay, this is... Like, this literally smells like a butthole. I think it's expired. Hi! What was that? It's like Jaclyn Hill lipsticks, but for highlight. Contour with green eyeshadow. Okay, I look like a corpse. Red for highlighting the nose. Got it, got it. Starting to look like the Swamp Thing wife. I'm okay with that. He had some abs on him. I look dead. Oh, red. We're highlighting. With red. I forgot that. Hold on. You know, this is just so, yes. Bronzer, purple bronzer. We're just gonna go back in, do some bronzer, action, purple. We're gonna be super pretty. Just give it that sun-kissed corpse glow. Gosh, tell your mom I said hi and I love her. There, it's beautiful. Okay, so blush, we're gonna go in with Bite Me. Brows. Yellow mascara brows. It looks really kind of pretty, actually, minus my nose, but like I look like an Easter egg. Aw, it's so pretty and pastel. Unlike my personality. Okay. This is a great brow pomade. Yes, herpes everywhere. Oh, this looks really cool. It's like a... I got my keyboard. Does that look stupid? Oh! All right, lipsticks. We were doing colored lipsticks. I believe it was purple and blue lipsticks for eyeshadows. There's glitter falling all over. It's this, well, oh my god, adorable. Look at my nose. Oh, pigment. Yes, pigment. Yes. Oh, I mean, this blends seamlessly. This is just, you know, so blendy. I did my eyebrows. They're these glitter herpes all over my keyboard. Kira's forehead is always our canvas, and we are all Bob Ross. Yes! That's the attitude that I want you to have. Ooh. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. Like, I'm not even mad. Y'all ain't even making me look bad. Y'all are making me look so sexy. Trace your face with eyeliner. Okay, oh, how about I trace a heart on my face? You guys want a heart? Oh my gosh, hi! How are you? Why is my voice getting all squeaky? Oh, your daughter has to do your lips or the heart. Oh! Wait, which daughter? I have 3. Don't forget to make the heart into a butt chin. Okay, I got you. I'll get my 3-year-old after I'm done with this butt chin. Yes! That is the best butt chin I think we've done on my channel. I mean, I look amazing. Put big lashes on the bottom and the smallest on the top. I have Araya, Avalon. I'm trying to think of their names. Like, this happens actually a lot. I forget. I get them all confused. Oops, I did it on the wrong side. There's my baby. She's talking about rocket ships.
I'm a rocket ship.
You're a rocket ship? Do you want to do my lipstick?
No.
No? We don't wear pants in this house. Do you want to do my lipstick?
No.
Yes, you do. Pants are overrated. Wait. Oh, did you get on my teeth? That's a good look. Fish?
No.
No? Someone said yellow eyeliner. Can anyone do a giant wing? Okay. Don't judge me. You can't. You're not my real dad. Oh, yes. Oh, that looks so bad. Oh, y'all. You see what hooded eyes do? That's what hooded eyes do. That wing is exceptional. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh my god. There is a wasp. I'm gonna die. That's a thing? Like, why is that if that needs to not be a thing? Weren't we setting with this? Wait, yes. That was a tutorial. Do you see that? Do you see all that glitter dandruff? So sexy. That's hot. Yeah. Highlight that butt chin, y'all. Why wouldn't you want to hang out with this? I mean, come on. He's great selfies. We'll take great selfies together. That's all I have. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!